name is Brian Ruttall, Group Technical Manager for Prism Medical UK. Welcome to our short presentation on the Prism A-205 Aluminium Mobile Hoist. The A-205 is a general purpose hoist suitable for a variety of care environments, including hospitals, nursing homes, care homes and domestic situations. The A-205 has an impressive safe working load of 205 kilograms, which equates to 32 stone. Now we're going to look at some of the key features of the Prism A-205. To start with, we'll look at the carry bar. The carry bar has a full 360-degree swiveling facility, which aids in the position of clients. Also, on the end of the carry bar, the hooks are protected with locking clips to prevent the straps from coming off the slings. The casters are a twin caster design with a 100mm diameter. The advantage of twin casters and 100mm is that it enables the hoist to move freely on all floor surfaces, including thicker carpets. This particular hoist has an electric leg opening facility. By simply pressing the button on the handset, we can open the legs. This enables the hoist to be positioned around wide furniture. Also on this hoist, we have an adjustable height mast. In its current configuration, the mast is in its highest position. This enables us to lift from a chair onto a changing bench or similar kind of height stretcher. Also, we can put it down to its lowest position, which would enable us to hoist from the floor onto a chair. The hoist is operated via the handset. The handset is diagrammatic, with each function being clearly displayed by the form of a picture. So we've got the carry bar going up, carry bar coming down, legs opening, legs closing. The handset is connected to the control box. The control box shows us the battery level indicator, but once we press the up button, it then gives us additional information, such as the number of lifts that the hoist has completed so far, the number of days until the next service is due, and it also tells us if the hoist has been overloaded at any point. Also on the control box, should there be an issue with the handset, we have additional buttons to raise and lower the hoist, to close the legs and to open the legs, thus giving continuous use of the hoist should there be a problem with the handset. Also on the control box we have an emergency stop button. The emergency stop button is there. Should there be an issue with the hoist at all, that will isolate all controls, and it can also be left in the off position if it's not going to be used for a long period of time. To actually charge the hoist, the mains lead plugs directly into the side of the control box. Alternatively, the battery can be removed and taken to a remote charger on a desk in an office just away from the hoist unit itself. On this particular hoist, the actuator has a manual emergency lowering facility. Simply by pulling on the red lever there, with the weight of the client on there, the carry bar will lower slowly, get them back into the chair nice and safe. And now we're going to show the Prism A-205 mobile hoist in use. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the hoist to transfer Mary here from her shower chair onto her favourite armchair. So what we'll do to start with is we'll bring the hoist into position, keeping control of the carry bar at all times, and we open the legs to enable it to go around the shower chair. Once we open the legs, we can bring the carry bar in. Quite important to keep your hand on the carry bar at all times to ensure that the client doesn't lash out and cause any damage. So we'll start, we'll put the leg sections on first, and then the shoulder strap, leg section from the other side, in the same colour, and the shoulder strap again. Once all the straps are in position, we raise the carry bar to take the tension on the straps. Once the tension is on the straps, but before it's actually started to lift Mary, we just go around and we just ensure that all the straps are in the correct places, in the correct orientation. Once we're happy with that, we proceed with the lift. Once Mary is clear of the chair, we can move the chair to one side and we can position Mary over the chair like so, and lower down. Ensuring that the carry bar is clear of Mary's face. Once we've lowered it sufficiently, we can now remove the straps. Pull the hoist out slowly, reposition Mary's feet. And then away, and that's transfer complete.